What's the meaning of coercive? Coercive. Coercive.
Coercive. Coercive. The term coercive refers to the use of force or threats to make someone do something they don't want to do. Coercion can involve physical force, such as violence or punishment, or it can be more subtle, involving emotional manipulation or social pressure. The immediate result of coercion may be compliance with the demands of the person doing the coercing, but the long-term consequences can be damaging to the individual being coerced, leading to feelings of resentment, fear, and a loss of trust in the coercer. Coercive behavior is generally considered unethical and is often prohibited by law.